Alright guys, welcome back to our second video of geometry, which is line segments and midpoints. So what is a line segment? A line segment is a part of a line that has two endpoints. So this would be a line segment here since it has two endpoints, which is A and B. Alright, and then it can therefore be written as AB like that. Then there's also rays, which has a point here and then it has a continuation. Then we have line segments, which could be something like this has two definite points, but this would be a line is continuous, okay? So measuring line segments. So the length of a line segment is called the distance between its endpoints. So like in the last example, A and B, okay? Then we can use a ruler or the coordinates of its endpoints to find the distance. And this is a very important formula you gotta know, which is called the distance formula. And what it basically says here is distance equals the square root of x2 minus x1 plus, y2 minus y1, and then here it has exponents and stuff. So what is a midpoint? The midpoint is the point that divides a line segment into two equal parts. So here we have a line segment which goes from A through B. So we can therefore write it this way. And since it has two endpoints, that means that it has exactly a point which divides it into two equal parts, and that point is M. So we could therefore say that M is the midpoint of AB. So to find the midpoint of a segment, we use the midpoint formula, which is this, which is x1 plus x2 divided by 2, comma, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. And then this would give us our coordinate, x and then y. So then here's an example problem of how to find it. Let's say we have 6 comma 8, and then afterwards we have like another point, we solve it, and then we get our answer over here, and that would be our midpoint for this problem. And then applications and geometry connections. So midpoints in triangles for like mid segments is extremely important. So that's why you gotta know the midpoint formula for the triangles and stuff. And then it has a lot of real world uses in design, construction, and maps. And it's very common to make mistakes and there's a lot of tips, in order to get better in geometry for this. So yes, this is essentially it for this lesson. All right, thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and hope you guys learned something today. Thank you.